This is Matt from MGMT Boston. On this episode of Lantern, we're in Charlestown today with Russ Martin, the co-founder and CEO of RampRight. Russ, what are you and your team building?
Yeah, thanks, Matt. I appreciate you having me on here today. So RampRight, we're coining is the first ramp intelligence platform. And what we essentially mean by that is historically onboarding or product release or anything, when you're presenting it to your team, a lot of the feedback comes from participation or activity. That's how you're deciding, is someone ready to do this? And quite frankly, it's just not good enough. And so what we're focused on at RampRight is, can they execute on what you need them to do? And we're doing that by basically using pattern recognition, AI, and setting up a structure where someone is going to actually go through it and know at the end of it, can I do this? Can my team do this? And do I feel confident about the goals I put in front of them?
A lot of AI companies going through hypergrowth right now, and just companies in general, so a sorely needed solution. Yeah. Now, what are you seeing as we enter 2026 from a company standpoint, market standpoint, that you would share with other members of the community?
Yeah, I think it's a little bit of what I just said. I think so many companies that we talk to, we ask them about how are you handling onboarding, or how are you handling these change situations within your company? And it's, well, we have them watch some recorded videos and they have a one-on-one with a buddy and, they're encouraged to ask questions back. But the truth is, that's not actually going to let you know if they can do the job, right? You need to put them through some meaningful training that has meaningful outcomes and data points. And I think the best thing that we can possibly do as leaders is make decisions based on data, not on hopes and feels and fingers trying to catch some wind.
And as a former revenue leader, now the revenue leader of RampRight, as the CEO, what are some advice that you would pass back to maybe other early stage founders, revenue leaders, people who are entering hypergrowth about sort of how to succeed, how to track the right metrics and grow responsibly?
It's a blind spot that I think is long gone ignored. Sure. And I think we spend a lot of time focusing on hiring the right people, which is absolutely the right thing to do. And we spend millions of dollars building out products for those people to sell. But when you talk about, can they actually do it? Do they come out of, whether it's an onboarding, whether it's a project release, whether it's a product release, a marketing campaign, a promotion, are they actually able to execute based on the data that they've shown you? Nobody really has that right now, and that's something that we're super focused on. And as a revenue leader, I can tell you I missed badly. I kind of did it based on enthusiasm, and I asked the questions, how is the new class doing? And someone said they're so excited to be here. I would think that was good enough. And I've kind of come to realize as I've gotten a little bit older and a little bit wiser, it's not even close.
I think that's a good insight. And last, how can we help you? How can we help RampRight grow into 2026 and beyond?
Boston's a really strong community. I think, you and I have talked about this, where 10 years ago, everybody graduated from school and went out west. I think everyone's graduating from school and staying here now. And I've been around long enough to kind of see that Boston is becoming a startup hub, and a really strong startup hub with a lot of resources. And so the best thing that we can do is invite people to come and use RampRight. It's free. You can use our product, you can kick the tires, you can tell us what you love, and just as important, you can tell us what you don't really love. And that's it. Opening it up to the community is something that we want to get as much feedback as possible, because I think both of us, myself and my co-founder RJ Irving, are taking the stance that, the voice of the community is going to be what ultimately makes this a success. We want to hear from the community.
Love that. This is Russ from RampRight, Matt from MGMT Boston here in Charlestown. Thanks so much for joining us.
Thanks, Matt.